Hello, welcome back to the second video with commentary. Well, the other video, I was just playing fun right there. But right here, you know, I do recordings for fun sometimes. But I'm trying to make a living off of it, since every time I tried, well, it wasn't very successful, if you say. Well, this time I nailed it because I tried recording, but I kept failing and failing all over again, so I've tried again because the footage back, it was not very good, if you were to say. Well, I wouldn't say bad, but it's just, I don't think you people would say it was good or some shit. I shouldn't be cursing actually, but I shouldn't be cursing. That was funny. That was hilarious. Anyways, but let's try this again. Yeet, bitch, get the fuck out of here. And there goes my cursing again. Anyways, that was me playing Deadbolt, but I forgot to introduce you to Deadbolt. It's basically a game where it's all about stealth. And like you saw what I just did back there, that's basically it, but I could do more missions, which I will be, and in the next mission or so on, I'll return back. But right now, you can watch me play for now. I'm just gonna only do a bit, then I'll end the video here or something. Sorry if I'm not very clear, my voice is really cracking up. It's been killing me lately, so I've been trying to get my voice back. I have one shot to nail this. Oh shit. Get me the fuck out of here. I have oh wait, I have an extra gun. Oh, why didn't I see that? Yep. That was not very nerve-wracking. Let's do a bit more missions. But if you're enjoying it so far, please give a like. And for the last video, thank you for 7 likes on my first video and even 10 subscribes. Wow, you guys are killing it. But in the next mission, I'll just end the video here. What I mean is, in the next mission, I'll stop the video. But anyways, if you haven't done so already, please give it a big fat like. And if we can reach at least 10 likes, I will do another episode of Deadbolt. I said if we can at least reach 7 likes, or 10 likes, I meant, I'll do another episode of Deadbolt, which you'll probably enjoy. So, right here, I'm gonna do this. So let's get in. Yeah, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I shouldn't go here. If you don't know why I'm playing strategically, I'm supposed to be stealth right now. See ya, bitch. I'll come right behind you, bitch. You didn't see me coming, did ya? And I'm about. Get the fuck out of here. That's what I thought, bitch. Oh, jeez. Now, how am I supposed to defeat him? Get out of here, bitch. Hey, get wrecked, son. Oh my god, where am I going? What the fuck am I doing? Alright, rectophobia's out there. Thanks for watching. And like I said, if we can at least reach 10 likes, I'll do another episode of Deadbolt. And if you haven't already, subscribed and hit that like button if you enjoyed. All my Twitter and all that stuff will be down in the description below. Like I just started doing YouTube, so don't expect very much from me, but so like I said, hit that like button. If we reach 10 likes, we will do another episode of Deadbolt. So